Today, let's take a look at the AVM widget here in the system. In order to find the AVM widget, you're going to go to a customer's profile. You can do this by going to the customer list, by finding a customer and going to their profile, or you can use the search bar to type in your customer and access their profile this way. Once you're on a customer's profile, you're going to scroll down to Marketing. And once you're on the Marketing tab, you're going to see the widget for the AVMs. AVM stands for Automated Valuation Module. By clicking the plus sign, you're going to be able to create a prospect report for your customer. You're going to add their address, and you can choose whether you'd like to also make a new MarketWatch report based off of this address. Then you're going to adjust the map if you need to, and go to the next step. On the next step, you're going to double check your property address. You're going to see if the bedrooms and bathrooms are correct. You're going to be able to hide the estimated price if you'd like to, and change the template and the orientation. Then you can change the paragraph headline here, as well as the paragraph that's going out with this AVM. Then you can email a PDF, or you can download the PDF. And here's a copy of what the AVM is going to look like. 8 registered buyers are looking for a home like yours. Then it gives initials for users that might be interested in a home, as well as how long ago they were active. The AVM tool is a great tool in the system to connect with your sellers and to let them know what kind of traction their listing might get if they were to decide to sell. It shows that you are relevant and connected to the current market, and that if they list with you, you're going to be able to sell their home for them. The AVM tool is a great widget here in the system to get an automated valuation of your seller's property for them.